Hi, myself Ankush, and I'm currently working on this product that is Aura. And this product is solving one issue which end user faces. When they buy some product, they have a lot of documents with them, all of the user manuals and specific issue troubleshooting and all. But nobody likes to visit all those documents, right? If how it will be if we have something as ChatGPT, we can answer each and every query we have for that particular product, right? So that is what exactly I'm working on. So building a product where manufacturer can have access to create assistant which is accessible to end users through some QR code or some link. So you can see we have these assistants which can be created from over here, and once we create the assistant, we create one VV8 vector DB collection, and there we store all the files which admin is providing to this particular assistant. You can see we have provided some details which are stored in VV8 vector DB to have some meaningful fetching of these details according to the user query. We have made these algorithms, or we have designed the flow in which the end user is asking some query, and the AI will be fetching with the help of some APIs, getting the required data or the most relevant data related to the user query. So now we let's see the functionality of processing of files. So once the files are there, the admin have feature to upload the files, and we have two servers with us. With one is the queue server and another one is the processing server. So in queue server, all the jobs get queued which is related to processing the file. So let's suppose we are pushing this particular file which have some very specific details about any specific section of the laptop or any product. I would be generalizing the thing. So now the file is uploaded and now it's under processing. So you can see file is getting processed. If you see over here, so this is the latest file which got processed now, and we can see like 100 chunk size there and concurrency 8 and total pages are 3. And if we want to confirm that, we can see like if there are 3 pages only. And why we are seeing this red tick? Because it's not yet processed by AI. Once it does, once it get processed by AI, so yeah, it will be gone. It will be gone. There will be no such tick or this. You can see not processed. Yeah, right. And no, we don't have over here, so these files are processed. So you can see we have these 3 pages, and that's like processed by AI. And let's see how this processing really helps. Actually, in the end, I'm going to show you the demo of our product, which will demo of the assistant, which will really going to explain the overall working. But moreover, in at first I want you to see all the features we have, right? So we can upload the files like this will be processed. Now we have feature to upload videos, and once we upload video is processed in such a way that we get chapters out of it, we get clips, we get transcriptions of that video. And it will take some time if I because I don't have some smaller videos with me, so but I can show you like the files or the videos which I have uploaded in on some other assistant. I guess this one I do have some videos uploaded. So let's see if we can see how exactly that video processing makes our life easier, or what is that exactly
Hey,
mean.
what's up, guys?
So yeah, you
Welcome
got
to
this. You can
CertBros.
see we
In this
have this
video, we're going to
video
be
viewer
talking
section
about
where
computer
we have chapters. You
networks
can go
and
to any
get
specific
internet
section,
access.
and that
The
is
closer
all
you
these
are to these
chapters are
towers,
generated by
the
AI.
better the connection is
You can see
likely
over
to
here
be.
these chapters are
So
getting
these are just some
generated. This
common
is the
network
importance of network
types and
connectivity,
really
and you
just
can
an
see we
introduction to
have
some
somewhere this
basic
particular
network
thing mentioned.
devices.
Or
So the
actually this is
next
the
logical question
that's how it
is
processes the
why?
videos and
Why do
provides
we
the
need
summary and provide the
networks?
transcriptions
Well,
related to that.
let's
Now
imagine
we can
life
have
without
this
networks for
feature
a
to
second. If we want
specifically
to print a
modify the
document, we would
transcription
need
as
to
well. Let's
directly
suppose we
connect
want to
a printer,
summarize it, so we can
which is fine.
summarize the
But what if
transcription,
we
and
have multiple
our
computers?
AI with the help
We
of
would
tool
need
call, it will be
multiple
done,
directly
and now we
connected
can save this
printers, right?
transcription as well.
Which
That is
isn't
how
so
it
fine.
works.
The
So
beauty of a
and
network.
all these details will be stored in our Vivid vector storage, and these will be accessible to the end users, and user will be able to fetch the specific details. Now we have the dashboard which shows us all specific previous statistics to this particular related to this particular assistant. So if we see that how many sessions were started, or how many chats have been done with this particular assistant, and how much time it was for, and what amount of tokens got used, everything will be coming up in this section. So let us see and have a quick walk through this particular dashboard. So you can see like status public access is on, and total requests are 173, and total use is something like this, and we have this one chat section. Actually the end users will not be able to access the chat. Currently we are not supporting that. Currently we are only supporting the admin access to these chats, and we will not be providing end users specific details over here. We will only be keeping anonymous chat like section. If you can see over here, so in chats we have these all chats as anonymous, and we will be able to access these chats very easily. So let's see, once that get loads we will be able to see the chat for sure. And currently we are not supporting that end user thing, and ultimately we will be looking at that ID as well. So yeah, it's loading it up, and yeah, we got this file. So actually nothing to show here, it was just simple message by the way, but yeah, you got this idea, right, how it happens. So actually now I guess this is the right time to show you exactly how the this assistant get work, or this QR code will be pasted to the product, on the product, and that QR code will be user access to that assistant. Once that user simply uh, paste that link, or scan that QR, they will be able to get the assistant. And let me show you the interface, and then we will have the quick overview or quick demo of the this assistant. I hope it will be a bit noisy, I think so, but yeah, I will try my best to provide better voice over there as well in the demo. So you can see this is the interface, and product details, if you see, so these are the details we and user have entered, or something like this. So yeah, these are the details. Moreover, but we have some a lot of things which we have seen the files and computer networking while I have attached in technically those are not related to this, but that is just for the reference that how exactly AI access will be happening and how we can reiterate. So let me have a demo for this. Actually,
So let's start the
first
demo for
let
this
me
product,
have one.
or for this assistant to be more specific. So it's established the connection.
Hello. Could you please provide more details about what kind of direction you're looking for? Are you referring to navigation lines or something else?
Uh, Hi, can you provide me RAM details?
The RAM in your device is 16 gigabyte.
Okay, so you can see how I asked the question. Actually, I have muted myself, so it will not respond to me now, and that is how it works. So you can see that, right, how I asked the question, and it simply gave me the answer to that question. Now, what exactly makes the use case of those files which we have made processed by the AI? So when I ask something, first of all I would like to ask like computer networking related thing, and it will provide me some resources related to that. Hey, can you provide me computer networking related resources?
The
Hey,
resource
what's up,
is a
guys?
video
Welcome
titled
to
Computer
Certbros.
Networking. It provides an overview of fundamental concepts and technologies in the field of computer networking.
So you can see that it provided me one resource, but if I want to exactly know what is there in this computer networking resource, so I can simply on this deep research mode, and I can ask, and that is something RAG tool which we have implemented over here, RAG agent we have, and that is gonna iterate through this video and provide us all possible details, or all the specific details which we are asking from this assistant, right? Okay, that is nice, but I want to know something more in depth about computer networking. Provide me details. So now you can see what is exactly happening. So this is the rag tool which just got cold, and if you see how this happens, so all these simple uh, objects are getting fetched from the VB8, and then the specificity or the relevancy of those resources are getting analyzed, and when we get some high relevance resource, so that is what will be returned to the end users. And let's see what exactly we got. You can see we got computer networking details, right? And everything is coming from the video, and this provided the, actually there is not such very specific question I asked, that is why it just provided me the starting of the video. Otherwise,
Hey, what's up, guys? Welcome to Sir.
if I ask for some very specific detail, let's suppose I want to ask exploring business networks, so provide me details of exploration of business networking. Now let's see how it works. Yeah, I have put some time, I hope it works nicely. So we got some one high priority, I guess, relevancy. And let's see if we got some specific answer to our, and yeah, we got that. Can you see that we got business networking details, and we are getting the exact timeline. Let's see the source.
This room might also be called a patch room or a server room. In the wiring closet, all of these devices will connect to a stack of switches which are mounted onto racks. Depending on the size of the network, there may be multiple wiring closets which all connect.
So can you appreciate that 249 and 249 exactly the timeline which we have in the video. So yeah, we are getting the exact response, or the accurate response from our AI assistant. That is what I worked for from last some months, and I'm happy that it's working accurately. Thank you so much for your time. I hope you were able to understand what exactly I'm working and exactly I have built. I'm very excited to explore these opportunities where I can work on such ideas, and I'm open for such opportunities. If you have one, then just connect with me. I'm Ankush, and I will provide a link of my LinkedIn profile. You can reach out to me there, and thank you so much for your time and consideration. Let's have some discussion on building something really amazing. Thank you so much.